Hey there, it is Emily with E2 Photography. Erin is not with us today, but if you run a photography business or if you're just starting a photography business maybe, you realize that there are a ton of moving pieces behind the scenes of a photography business. Things like making sure bookings are happening, contracts are being sent, invoices are being emails back and forth with clients, rescheduling sessions, all of those things. And sometimes it feels like you need 5 different pieces of software just to do those 5 different things. Today, I am going to talk about a software that we love and we use called ShootProof, and some of the updates that ShootProof has coming. It has made such a change over the last couple of years with what it has to offer, and it's really starting to become this all-in-one system for photographers. So I want to talk about that today. ShootProof makes things super simple, and it's an all-in-one platform where there are a lot of things you can do as a photographer. It's also very reasonably priced, so I'm going to walk through all of these new updates that it has to offer and what we love about using ShootProof. Now, if you're new to our photography channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications of future videos just like this one. Before we jump into the updates that ShootProof has, I just want to tell you all of the things we currently use ShootProof for. So the main thing we have always used ShootProof for is to upload our client galleries, to deliver really beautiful galleries to our clients, as well as allowing them to order prints directly through their gallery that we deliver. That is one thing. We can also send contracts and invoices through ShootProof, and we can book sessions through ShootProof, which is amazing. But we're going to dive deeper into all of those today. So the first thing I want to talk about before getting into the updates is the importance of booking online and how much it can simplify everything. So clients can book sessions through ShootProof. The contracts are signed automatically. This is all automated stuff. Emails are sent. You can send invoices as well, and those can be paid right through ShootProof, and everything stays super organized. What this does is it really gets rid of that back and forth emails and allows you to have more time doing the fun thing, which is the shooting, and a lot of times the editing is a lot of fun too, not always. Leave a comment below and let me know which part of the booking process stresses you out the most. Okay, the first update that ShootProof just came out with, which is going to be a huge time saver, is allowing you to jump in and reschedule sessions with clients. Because let's be honest, this happens to all photographers. Kids get sick, the weather changes, something just comes up and you need to reschedule. So this is a super easy tool and update that ShootProof has for us. So now inside of ShootProof, you can update several parts of the session when something needs to change. So you can adjust things like the session duration, the location, the contract, the invoice, and client notifications as well. And this is perfect for when weather changes and schedules conflict, that you can go in and make these minor adjustments. So instead of manually emailing clients or text messaging them, calling them, whatever, back and forth like that, you can easily change it. And this works really well for mini sessions as well. Another awesome feature that ShootProof just added and sounds like is going really well from a current email that I just read is the optional tips during booking. So this is completely optional. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. It's fully customizable and commission free, and clients can leave a tip right during the booking process, so they can tip you. And it sounds like, according to the ShootProof emails, that there is an average around like $30 to $50 for photographers per session that clients are leaving. So this is a great option if this is something you choose to do. Not all photographers will choose to do this, which is nice that you have the option to keep it on or off. The next update that I want to talk about with ShootProof is you are now allowed to send manual emails. So ShootProof already has all of the automated emails you may ever need, and you can set those up and can customize them in any way you want to send certain emails out to your clients throughout the booking and print delivery process. process, all of that, which is amazing. But now if there's something you need to send them manually because you just thought of it, or you want to tell them, session reminders or location details or wardrobe guidance or quick client updates, anything like that, you can manually do it inside of ShootProof. So you don't need to go searching for their email, go into your Gmail account and send it. It all can be done under their little client area inside of ShootProof. And the last update that I want to talk about, which is super nice as well, especially as you start to use ShootProof more for booking and you book all these mini sessions and you have all these sessions compiled inside of your ShootProof, you can now session search. So you can search for specific sessions by using the client name or the date or the session type. So there's no more scrolling forever to find a session. So I can see how that's going to be super, super helpful. And the really great thing is ShootProof is really good about continuing to listen to us as photographers to make updates. And I know there are new things on the way that I've heard, and they're super exciting. There is one big thing coming out soon that's going to really help photographers as well. And it's just a bonus to have inside of ShootProof. So if you're interested at all in learning more about ShootProof, you can go in the description below and check it out. Leave any comments and ask any questions if you have them, and we'll answer them to the best of our ability. So again, you guys, these updates make booking smoother. So less admin work, less emails back and forth, easier client experience, and really more time focused on photography. This is exactly what we need as photographers, with all of the overwhelm of doing all these sessions and editing all these sessions, to be able to have it all in one place and it to look really nice and professional when we're delivering things to our clients, such as contracts, invoices, galleries, all of those things. It's so nice and beautiful and professional to deliver to our clients. All right, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, share with a friend, whatever you need to do, and make sure to tune in next week for even more. We'll see you later.